Hello and welcome back to How Interested Info. In this video, I will show you how to change brightness on GoPro MAX 360. Let's begin! First you want to expand your settings, just like that. Then click Preferences. Inside Preferences, you want to scroll down a little until you will see a section called Touchscreen. You can click it. And now we want to scroll down a little, and right at the bottom we have brightness. We can click on that and we can bump it down or bump it up. So if we're moving, as you can see, like this one. But I will lower it up since it's already bright enough for me. And yeah, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching.